Rick was a nice young boy who had a very bad habit of getting angry at every little thing. He would easily get angry at anyone and would even use foul language sometimes. His parents and teachers often lectured him to control his anger and improve his behavior. "Stop irritating me!" Rick had a soft corner for paintings. So on his 7th birthday, his mom gifted him a canvas and a palette of colors. "What's this for?" "It's to help you express your anger. Whatever you feel angry about, you can paint it on the canvas to get rid of that frustration. Try it." Rick painted a building falling down. "It's what I want to do to my school. I hate everyone there. The kids keep bullying and criticizing me. I feel so angry at them." "Oh, Rick." "Okay, do it again. Paint whatever you feel inside and whatever you think you want to do." Rick took another sheet and started painting. From that day, whatever made Rick angry had to be painted on a sheet. By the weekend, Rick had painted several disturbing paintings. His mom went to his room and found some of the paintings on the wall. She collected some and took Rick to the garden with his paintings. "Tell me, Rick, what are these paintings about?" "It's about those kids that always act so smart. They flash their expensive clothes and phones and make me look like a loser. It's about the teachers who keep saying to me that I don't perform well enough. It's about Dad, who always keeps reminding me of how well he used to do when he was my age." Now think and tell me, what is the one thing common in all of them? "I am angry at all of them." Exactly. You reacted to each person who said something bad about you or criticized you. Your anger was in their power, not in yours. You're right. In fact, while painting this, I threw the colors on the paintings, imagining that I was throwing something at them. I never tried to understand them and was getting angry all along without any reason. Son, each bad word that you said to them left a hole in their heart. Those kids did well for themselves, not to put you down. Your teachers tell you to improve because they know your potential, and Dad compares himself with you only to inspire you, to tell you that if he was able to do it, so can you. You're right, Mom. But what do I do when I get angry? It's always like anger overpowers me, and I am never able to think properly. Controlling anger can be simple if you are committed to controlling it. Whenever you get angry, take a deep breath and count to 20 before you react. Think happy thoughts and divert yourself from that situation. Slowly, you will be able to control your anger. Thanks, Mom. I will try this, and I will paint it too. After a long time, he hugged his mom and felt good. With time, Rick's behavior changed. He was a much happier kid than before and started treating everyone with love. His paintings too had changed, as they were less about anger and more about happiness and love. All of this was possible as he had learned the art of having control over his